Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Trading Style, and today we are going to talk about stock market, and we are going to talk about monthly time frame, quarterly also, weekly, and we will figure out is it bull or bear market, what's going on with the stock market world today. Let's move to 5 rules of risk management. Remember this 5 rules of risk management. It's the most important action that you have to apply to your trading. Rule number 1, never lose more than 1 bar. Rule number 2, never add to a losing trade. Rule number 3, always use a hard stop. Rule number 4, once up 2 bars, move stop and do not lose any money. Rule number 5, once up 3 bars, move stop and let winner runs and you will be profitable. Remember, if you follow the rules, don't break the rules, you will be always successful. That's how it works. Let's move to VBull, and if you want to learn more about VBull setup, just go to the description. There is the link about VBull setup training and other links about all my trainings. Let me briefly mention about my setup. I'm using moving averages. White line it's MA 200, purple line it's MA 100, blue line it's MA 50, yellow line it's MA 20, red line it's MA 10, green line it's MA 5. And MACD indicator, RSI indicator, and awesome oscillator indicator. Very simple. It's not easy because emotions involved. But if you follow the indicators, you will be successful because indicators do not have emotions. Let me show you how it works, right? It's a weekly time frame. When bars above MA 5, 10, and 20, it is bullish trend because moving average is uptrend, right? When bars below MA 5, it is bearish trend because all moving averages automatically downtrend. Look at it, when MA5, green line did bearish crossover over 10, that's the entry position. I don't trade on a weekly time frame, but for investor, it's an entry short position, right? And put stop 1 bar before. Entry here, put stop 1 bar before, you will be successful because you can lose only 1 bar, but you will gain multiple bars. That's how it works. And let's start it. DXY USA dollar. You see last bar, it's a red bar. MA5 did bearish crossover over 10, 20. It moved below 20. It is bearish territory now. Looks like it's a still fight because MACD is still bullish, RSI bearish, awesome oscillator bearish. Dollar kind of now in the bearish territory. But you see we have MA 100, it can touch the MA 100 and bounce from MA 100. MA 100 still strong support. But dollar is bearish on weekly time frame. Let's check monthly. Monthly it is also bearish. Last bar moved below. MA5 did bearish crossover over 20 and last bar moved below 20. It's a full confirmation of bearish reversal. Interesting. Dollar is bearish on all indicators. Quarterly, it is still positive, still bullish, but last bar still below MA5, but it's above all moving averages. Still positive, bullish. Let's move to Qs. Qs, the most powerful technology index. You see we did double top. I believe the second top, it was bull trap. Bearish, I'm sorry, it's a daily time frame. Yeah, bearish divergences on all indicators. It is daily, but let's move to weekly. Weekly top, we are forming top. Qs is forming top, right? Still bullish trend. RSI still above oversold territory. Still bullish trend on weekly time frame. No, and last bar still very disconnected from 20. Monthly time frame, still bullish. Bullish on all indicators, last bar disconnected from 20. MA10 ready to do bullish crossover. It's a bullish on all indicators. Quarterly Qs, Quarterly cues, all indicators, they kind of wants to do bullish crossover. MA5 still below 10, last bar above all moving averages, it is bullish territory, kind of forming bullish signal for quarterly time frame for cues. Volatility index VXN, it's a volatility index for cues, still bearish on monthly time frame. No fear at all. SPX, S&P 500, MA5 did bullish crossover over 10 and 20, bullish reversal signal on all indicators, last bar above all moving averages, bullish trend. On monthly time frame, let's check quarterly. For SPX also, bullish signal, still bearish. Yeah, location MA5 still below 10, it's still bearish. MACD, it's building bullish reversal, still some indicators bearish. Last price action is positive because last bar above all moving averages. MA5 still below 10. Still kind of in the mixed mode. And weekly it is still strong bullish run for SPX. Let's check for VIX. VIX volatility index still bearish on monthly time frame, no fear. On weekly also bearish and monthly bearish. And monthly time frame it is still bearish. Dow Jones, let's move Dow Jones. Let's start Dow Jones. Quarterly, Dow Jones kind of positive. They all, the last bars for last 4 quarters, they all above all moving averages. Still positive, all indicators still red, but price action, last bar still above all moving averages. It is positive territory. Still positive signal. Monthly time frame, same story. Last month it's kind of flat because for last 10 months, flat price action, last bar still above all moving averages. It's still positive, even though all indicators already and still bearish. And weekly it is still positive. The last bar still above all moving averages. Positive signal on all indicators because the bars still above MA20. Positive, yeah, flat price action, bearish divergences on all indicators. For Dow Jones. VXD volatility index. Monthly time frame still bearish, weekly time frame still bearish also. No fear on the market for Dow Jones volatility index. IWM, let's start weekly. Bullish trend, bullish crossover on all indicators, bullish trend. The weakest, it's MA20, you see yellow line, bearish crossover over 200, it's below 200. I don't like it, it is negative, but price action is positive bullish. Monthly time frame, MA5 and 10 below, still below 20, it is bearish territory, even last bar touched MA20. Still bearish territory and all indicators still bearish. Monthly time frame, it is still bearish for Russell 2000. Quarterly also bearish on all indicators, still above MA20. MA20 is strong support, it cannot break MA20. Quarterly time frame. Apple quarterly time frame, very bullish. Apple the bullish, very strong equity, right? Apple and Nvidia, bullish trend, bearish divergences. Only quarterly time frame, really? Wow. Because quarterly time frame, it's very huge time frame. Very huge time frame quarterly. Look at it. Bearish divergences on all indicators. On quarterly time frame for Apple, definitely wants to have correction. Monthly time frame, same story. Bullish trend with bearish divergences on all indicators. Also, it wants to have correction, but bullish trend on all indicators. Weekly time frame for Apple, same bullish trend. Bullish trend, very overbought on RSI, and on awesome oscillator, all indicators bullish with overbought condition. Let's move to Tesla. Tesla, it's not so strong, right? Let's see. Tesla is still strong, right? It's a last bar, it's a tail bar, but it's disconnected from MA5, 10, and 20. It's not strong like Google, like Apple, but still positive, because Apple did new all-time highs. Tesla not. Tesla just dancing around the previous September time frame. Okay, bullish trend on weekly. Let's check monthly for Tesla. Monthly, it is positive. MA5 did bullish crossover. All indicators, they're ready to do bullish crossover. And last bar, above all moving averages, it is positive territory. Quarterly time frame for Tesla. Similar story, last price action, last bar above all moving averages. Some indexes is still bearish, MA5 still below 10. But price action is positive above all moving averages. Let's move to BABA, Alibaba Group. Weekly it is still bearish. I'm sorry, weekly, quarterly. Quarterly is still bearish. Let's see monthly. Monthly, all indicators mixed mode. Some indicators bullish, some bearish, but price action, last bar still below MA20, it is still bearish territory. It's a still weak bearish signal monthly. Weekly time frame, it closed above MA20, MA5 did bullish crossover. It's trying to get bullish, but it's kind of flat. You see, for several weeks, it's still flat as dancing below 20. Very weak on the weekly time frame, BABA also. Just daily last Friday did nice bull run, but generally it is still weak. Nvidia, the most powerful stock on weekly time frame. Look at it. It's also forming top price action. You see, for last 3 weeks it was red and flat. It's building bearish reversal. Still on RSI in a very overbought condition in the history. It's still bullish trend, disconnected last bar from 10, 20, bullish trend, and no changes on weekly time frame. Very overbought on RSI. Monthly, similar story, very overbought on RSI. Price action, let me show you. Price action is uptrend, right, for Tesla. And on MACD, it's flat. But on RSI, it has bearish divergence. On awesome oscillator, also bearish divergence. Multiple bearish divergences on all indicators. It means Nvidia wants to have correction. Monthly time frame. Let's check weekly what's going on. Weekly, it's the same, still bullish trend on overbought. No, it's a bearish divergence on MACD. Weekly bullish, monthly bullish, and quarterly it is bullish also. No changes. Quarterly bullish with bearish divergence. That's all. Let's do summary. Dollar is kind of weak and bearish on all time frames. All indexes, they still bullish on weekly, monthly time frame, even positive on the quarterly time frame, not fully confirmed bullish reversal, but still positive on quarterly time frame also, because they're in the positive price action and the positive bullish location above all moving averages. But monthly and weekly, it's still positive bullish with some bearish divergences, but still bullish, and they're overbought on the RSI. On RSI indicator, they all overbought. At the same time, no fear on the market. We have extreme greed on the market, and all volatility indexes very bearish, very oversold in the bearish territory on all time frames because no fear on the market. Usually when it's no fear on the market likes to change direction, especially when it's in extreme greed condition. Market likes to change direction. That's all from my side. Yeah, not Baba, Tesla, Apple, Nvidia, the 7 stocks, 7 large mega stocks that are still positive. They didn't make bearish reversal signal. I think when they will change direction from bullish to bearish, it will change direction for all indexes also. So far it is still bullish, no bearish reversal signal on the weekly, monthly time frame yet. On daily time frame they're building bearish reversal but not fully confirmed yet. But on large time frames it is still bullish. That's all from my end. Please do disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. This video for educational informational purposes only, and remember, for educational purpose we are using paper trading account simulator. Thank you for watching simple trading style video. I do publish daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly updates for stocks, ETFs, indexes and cryptos. Please subscribe to this channel and click like button to support this channel. I really appreciate all your efforts. Thank you so much and good luck. Bye now.